students to the class of optional mathematics in class 10, and the discussion is to be continued on the sum of arithmetic series. Finally, we are here to talk about now some long questions that is related to arithmetic series. Today I will try to explain you the sum of arithmetic series by 2 or maximum of 3 examples. Look here. The first example is like this, because we are here from the short questions. Don't forget it. The sum of first 2 terms and sum of first 5 terms of an arithmetic series are 6, 30 respectively. So it means that according to question, sum of first 2 terms we can write yes to. First 2 terms अगाडिबाट sum of first 2 terms अगाडिबाट पहिलो दुईटा. For sum of first 5 terms अगाडिबाट पहिलो 5 वटा. Remember, in that case we can use yes 2, yes 3. Look here. A, that is yes 2 is 6, and another given is sum of first 5 terms. We can write yes 5 equals to 30. Now my dear students, since the 2 sums are given, now we have to use the sum formula. This is what is all the question about, and please follow exactly like this in your another practice. So we know that Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d, or S2 equals to S2 means here n, so 2 terms only is added. 2 by 2 2a, we don't have the information of first term, n minus 1, 2 minus 1 1, and it is d. So 2 and 2 cancel, so we know that S2 which is given 6 equals to 1 2a plus b. So now it is going to be a simultaneous equation. Remember, in compulsory math you will read about the simultaneous equations. Now we have to have the solution, or we have to follow the solution of simultaneous equations on a and b. Now let's go for another one. Again, S5 equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. My dear students, S5 is given 30, so 5 here is 5 by 2, because we are adding 5 terms. We don't know a, and we don't 5 minus 1 because 5 4d. We don't have d also. Look my student here, you will get 2 as a common, a plus 2d. Since they are common, we can cancel and make it more simple, and we can again divide. Remember, 30 by 5, that is 2a plus 2d, that is how much? 6 again. 6 is equal to a plus 2d. Now let's have the solutions of the simultaneous equation of first and second to get the information about a and d. So look here, since they are sum, there is plus sign or minus sign, then we have to add or subtract for the getting value of a and d. So again, look here, again for the solutions, let's make them equal. Here are a, d and 2d. Let's cancel d, so let's multiply the equation 1 by 2 and solve with second. Okay, multiply. So now let's multiply equation number 2. So what it becomes now? 6 becomes 12, 2 becomes 4, and d becomes 2d. Now second, 6 equals to a plus 2d. So we are here to get the value of a by eliminating d. So let's change the sign here. do 2d cancel. So now 2a minus 6 is remaining, 4a minus a, 3a is remaining. So in this way we can get a equals to 2. Now 70% of the solutions are finished. Now we all have to again find the d also. Again, to get the d, let's put the value of a in the equation second. 6 equals to 2 plus 2d. When you subtract it, 4 equals to 2d. Again you are getting the d equals to 2. Now you've got the solutions about 85%, because now we have to find out the sum of first 10 terms. This is the main target, a and b. When you know the information of a and b, the solution is easier, more and more easier. Now to find the sum of first 10 terms, it is not big deal, because you know the first term, you know the common difference of the arithmetic series. Now let's look here. I will continue my solutions because I need space, so I am drawing it first part. I hope you have copied it. Again, my target is yes 10. Yes 10 equals to what? So yes 10 equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Since it is 10, so the n also becomes 10. 2a, because we know that a is 2, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. d is also 2. Yes, 10 equals to 5. 2 to the 4. 9 to the 18. So when you add 18 and 4, it is 22. Now when you multiply 22, it is 110. So the sum of first 10 term is 110. My dear students, it was the first long question in front of you that I made a solutions in arithmetic series, sum of arithmetic series. Okay, so again look these solutions, again look the questions, because this type of questions will hit you more and more time in your exercise, in your examinations, wherever you go to read about sequence and series and the sum. Okay, so now I will again write one next example. Don't worry, I have two more examples in front of you, because by looking only single examples, I don't think you can have the solutions of the exercise. So now let me draw the second part. Now second part, I hope you will not mind. Okay, now my second questions in front of you is, my dear students, question number 2 for the long questions. Find the first 15 sum of first 15 terms of an AP whose A term is 45. Okay, my dear students, if you look this example and the previous example, you will be surprised, amazed, because in the previous examples the sum of two conditions were mentioned. Only here is whose F term is 45. Only the small thing is given. By this you have to find out the sum of first 15 terms. You might be amazed. You might think, but such type of questions is a tricky questions, my dear students. Here you don't need to find out A and D separately like on the previous question. This is a tricky one. That is why without finding the A and D also, you can find the sum of first 15 terms. Sometimes these questions will make you surprised. Okay, now look here. What is given? Solution. Eighth term. Whose eighth term? Don't get confused. It is not sum of eighth term. It is only eighth term. Solution. Eighth term. So this term is in my T8. Is called to 45. You know the general form of T8. Yes, you know. It means T8 equals to Na plus n minus 1D. This is general form of term. So T8 is 45, n means 8. We don't know 8 minus 1, 7D. My dear students, this is general form of H term, A plus 7D. Now, look here, what the situation demands now. Find sum of first 15 terms. So we have to find sum of first 15 terms. Yes, 15 is equal to what? So you know, here, yes 15, sum formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Don't forget. Now I think it has been used for multiple times, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Don't forget the formula now. Okay, 15 means n is 15, n is 15. Okay, 15 by 2, 2a, 15 minus 1, 14d. Now look here, what is going to happen? 2 and 2 gets common. A plus 7d, 2 and 2 cancel, 15, a plus 7d, because we have the combined formula of a plus 7d is equal to 45. Now 15 into 45, now is on your finger. Calculator, multiply, get the sum of first 15 terms. It is for you, it is your work. Look, it is short, quick, but it carries our mind work. That is why it is short, but still it carries more mark in the examinations. That is why many people get stopped when now we can use the combined value of a plus 70 there, 45, and you can get the answer. So my dear students, on the sum of arithmetic series, I presented you 2 more examples so that it may make you clear for when you do the exercise. So now in the next class we will choose another topic on the sequence series. Till then, take care, goodbye.